Okay, so we're gonna Maiden the baby punk. It's basically a Meteor Pro 75 frame with Happy Model 1002 motors and my custom little canopy on a 30-degree angle with a ant camera, and yeah, let's see if it flies. Hopefully it doesn't get run over. Let me show you a little trick. So what you can do is, this little 300 was loose and I put a little piece of shrink wrap. I made sure to shrink it around the edge, otherwise it gets stuck on these things. But if you do that, it actually fits perfectly. So that'll work well for races. So I'm finding the 550 a little heavy. I think the 450 feels perfect for outside. And the 300 flies pretty good, but it's just without the weight. It's easier for the whoop to get like flicked around and stuff. So I would say, I think I like 450 for outside, and then 300 probably for indoor racing. But we'll find out tomorrow. We'll see if I get brave enough to rip through them all on Black Friday or Black Saturday or crazy busy Saturday. We're going to the movies though, so I kind of want to go to the movies first. I don't want to get in trouble and get kicked out of the mall or something when it's movie time. But usually, honestly, I've never had problems with security. Usually they're just like, oh wow, that's so cool. That's what everyone should be. It should be like, wow, it's so cool. It's not dangerous or anything, so. Isn't it cute? So cute. I also found the best way to do things is just like out in the open and not try to hide or anything.
Be a man!
Not look suspicious, like just do it, like whatever, what's the worst thing that could happen? And if you do a rip and dip, it usually takes a couple minutes, so you're done in a couple minutes, toodaloo, no one cares. Yeah, 2 minutes of ripping in the freezing cold with a 300 outside, so I'd say that's not bad at all. I'm saving my last 450 for a little indoor run. Now you see in my backpack I have a little power bank plugged up to one of these guys. It just charges my lipos nicely as I walk around the mall. And then we're good to go again.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
That was fun.